So for this tutorial, I will not be using my mouse, I'll be using my keyboard because your mouse is also not working. So I'm going to show you how to fix this problem just by using your keyboard. The first and second method will show you how to fix the mouse, and the third method is for the touchpad. However, if you're doing for the touchpad, watch the first and second method because you're going to have to repeat that method for your touchpad. So just watch the full video. Click on Windows and R on your keyboard and then type in devmgmt.msc and click on enter. Once you're on it, click on tab on your keyboard and then you want to use the down arrow key until we find mice and other pointing devices, and then click on right on your keyboard, the right arrow key. Then we're going to use the down arrow key to head over to HID compliant mouse, then click on enter. Then we're going to use the tab key to select general, which now we can use our arrow key, right arrow key to head over to driver, and then use the tab key to head over to update driver, and then click on enter, and then click on enter again to search automatically. If the best drivers have already been installed, click on tab until you find close and click on enter. Now we're going to use tab to take us to uninstall device, then click on enter, and then click on enter again, which will uninstall your mouse. I'm not going to do it because mine's working, but you do it. After we do that, we're going to close out this, and then we're going to click on Alt on our keyboard, which will select file on top, and then click on the right arrow key, which will take us to action, click on enter, and then use the down arrow key, and then click on scan for hardware changes, which will reinstall your mouse. Now your problem should be fixed by now. You can keep on replaying the video to see what I do since I'm not using my mouse. And if you have any more HID compliant mouses right here, then just do the same method for it as well. Now for your touchpad, we're going to actually scroll up into human interface devices. We're going to expand it with the right arrow key, and then it should say HID compliant touchpad here. I'm not using the touchpad so it doesn't show. And also if you can't find your mouse driver in the mice and other pointing devices, then you might find it here. Then you just want to repeat the exact same method, which is to update your driver. If it's been updated to the latest version, uninstall it and then reinstall it again. Once you complete everything, just restart your computer and the problem should be solved.